Owayesakuba ngusodolophu waseRhawutini umnumzana Herman Mashaba uthi usenokuzigqatsela isikhundla sokuba ngusodolophu kodwa ngaphantsi kweqela lezopolitiko elitsha Uphehlelele iphulo lokucholachola izimvo zabahlali nalapho amema khona abahlali ukuba bavakalise izimvo zabo kwimiba etshisibunzi kweli lizwe.
Njengongena kwakhe kungalindelekile kwezopolitiki nokusula kwakhe njengemeya edolobha laseGoli kwabanjalo.
I've called this press conference today to announce my resignation from the DA.
UMashaba waphonsa ithawula eqenjini le-DA ngemva kokubuya kaHelen Zila njengohlalo omkhandlu waleli qembu.
I would have loved to have completed my term.
Kodwa uMashaba uthi ikusasa lakhe kwezopolitiki alipheleli lapha.
If people expect me to really go back into public office, I'm willing to serve.
Kanti unethemba lokuthi lezi zingxoxo sizoholela ekusungulweni kweqembu elisha lezepolitiki.
If people giving us input on this platform agree with them in terms of our principles, our values, I'm happy to stand and form a political party as late as June of 2020 so that we can prepare ourselves to contest the local government elections.
Kanti ke usaqaqele buyela kulomkhandlu dolopha.
Without any doubt, I'll stand as a mayoral candidate for this new political initiative.
Kodwa ufuna ucacisa ukuthi lo wayengumholi we-DA uMusi Maimane uzoba nalo yini iqhaza kuleli qembu.
The only commitment I've got from Musi Maimane is the endorsement of the project and this initiative, and I welcome his endorsement. And if obviously he wants to really be part of the future, like any other South African, as long as I think people who are committed to the principles that some of the principles that I've outlined.
Kuyocaca ngoNdasa ngonyaka ozayo ukuthi iyozala Nkomoni. Ngingumanqoba Mchunu wezindaba ze-SABC eGoli.